Hey everyone, it's Ruben from bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. So, I've snuck in after hours to go for another sneaky special while Michael is away on the mountain, and the coins I'm thinking of are in this box right here. So we're going to quickly cut into it and see what I've grabbed. So we've got some classic medallion tubes here containing a really super cool coin out of Scottsdale Mint in the US. This here is their 1 ounce alien from this year. This is the second in their alien series, which has been received really well across the world and features an alien, as they put it, staring into your terrestrial soul. Ooh. We've also got Her Majesty on the obverse with a very cool pattern around the outside. You haven't clicked here for a review of the alien though, you've come here to hear the deal that I've snuck through, and today we'll be selling off tubes of these guys. There's 20 in a tube for a special price. They'll work out per ounce to be the same as individual kangaroos, which is below 42 Australian right now I think. Kangaroos are typically the go-to coin when it comes to needing a divisible amount of silver without getting like a fancy design or variety, year to year. So that's why this is a really good chance to pick up something a little more interesting for the same price. So a little recap, selling a tube of 20 aliens at a special price that works out to be the same per ounce as individual kangaroos, not including their bulk pricing, just to answer that question before people ask it in the comments. A link will be down in the description while these are still available. We've got some more specials lined up, something for people in store, and I'll be racking my brain for something cool for our opening up for the first time on Saturday, July 8th, this weekend. So if you wanted a trip down into the city, it might be a good time to check us out. Sounds like most people were happy with the fact we're running some specials. Apologies to those that missed out on yesterday's. We are trying to spread the love a little bit and release it a few different times so that everyone can get a chance. And yeah, I think that's it from me. We'll see how many of these sneaky specials I can get away with before Michael finds out. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll hopefully see you in the next one.